Hello students, the question is from the DSA data structure and algorithm. Okay, the question is from data structure and algorithm. The question is, what does the following code return? And the code is given something like this: struct node function struct node star of head. You can see this whole function in the question, right? So I'm not going to write it down. See, I will read you this. This is after this it is open bracket, then it is struct node star of n is equals to null. Okay, so first the pointer is pointing to the null, then we have to variable has been entered, that is local variable int I. Then there is a loop for I equals to 1, head equals to head of next, and I plus plus. Now again the condition has been checked as if I equals to 1, n equals to head, else if I modulus 2 equals to 1, then n equals to n of next, and we have to return n. Okay, so just consider a linked list out here. This is a linked list. Okay, fine, this is a head part. Okay, so it is pointing to this. So they say, for example, this is 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so what it is telling, n equals to head. Now n will be pointing to, first it will pointing to null. Okay, n is pointing to null here, then it is pointing to head, n equals to head. Then for n equals to head, what we have to check, for I equals to 1, head. Okay, head is head of next, head equals to head of next. This is means now, yeah, it will iterate, like it will iterate the function as head equals to head of next after every iteration. Fine, so if I equals to 1, then n equals to head. Here I equals to is 1, so therefore n is pointing to head. Okay, so n equals to head. Now we have to check else if I modulus 2 is equals to 1. Fine, so yeah, it is true, I modulus 2 equals to 1. So now I will be, so n will be pointing to the next, so now n will be pointing to here, means because this will become the, because the condition is given as head equals to head of next. Okay, so head will point here, now head will become this and n will point here. Okay, so now what we have to check, again n equals to head, right? Now else if I modulus 2, now 2 modulus 2, it is not equals to 1. This is a wrong, so here the n will not get n will not be incremented, L will not be incremented, right? So now again when I will become 3, then what will happen, again this will be pointing, I guess, still here. So then 3 modulus 2 will become equals to 1, so this will be followed, n equals to n of next, right? So here we are seeing that n is incremented alternatively, right? So it will always pointing to the middle node. Since n is incremented alternatively, and you can see like here it was incremented, fine, when I was equals to 1, then when I was becomes 2 it was not incremented, then I equals to 3 it will increment, then again I for equals to 4 it won't get incremented because 4 modulus 2 will be 0, right? Then again for 5 modulus 3, 5 modulus 2, again it will be equals to 1. So it is incremented in alternatively, therefore it will point to the middle node. Okay, so what will be the answer then? The answer will be A, the middle node of the linked list. Answer is A. Thank you.